boy Skinny in the Hemi, and I got a sandwich from Whataburger, nigga. It tastes good, bitch. Let's start the road. I already got some shit to roll. But yeah, man, hey. Today, we going to Cars and Coffee. And this nigga speed. But yeah, we're with this car group shit. I put a S. Oh wait, I put a TH on the end of shit. That boy on that bitch, man. Why is this car behind me like? Yeah, we on the way to this Cars and Coffee shit right now, and my car's still fucked up, y'all. It's still fucked up. I haven't put the video out yet of, you know, the damages and how I feel. I think I even got a little bit of reaction to that when I got into the accident. I think I pulled my camera out and I was trying to record the lady like drive away type shit, and like, you know, in case she tried to run away, because I was gonna chase her fucking ass. Wrecked or not, nigga, this motherfucker ain't got no check engine light, no ABS, no none of that shit on. Boy, what? I'm about to chase this motherfucking truck down in this motherfucking bitch ass nigga. Yeah. And I ain't had no stick on me. I don't give a fuck. But yeah, man. Make one of them niggas mama. Yeah. But shit, man. I'ma fuck with y'all when we get there, man. I gotta pay attention to this road. This man's driving like a fucking maniac. We said we wasn't gonna drive fast. That's what we said. Look where he at. Look how fast I'm going. Look where he at. I'm trying not to go fast, y'all. I'm trying. But I ain't got no address. So I gotta keep up with this man. Look, this nigga way up there. He pushing that hoe, man. Alright, so I'm gonna see y'all later.
Okay, yeah, I was talking about typing it. No, I didn't know.
Copyright. Got the fucking rides out here, man. Got the everything, man. Got the yeah. We got that yeah. Yeah, no license plate. We got that boy Zay up in the motherfucking place, man. Yeah, Zay. That boy over here hitting in that motherfucking 300. Got my boy in the other 300. You know what I'm talking about? Got me in the dirty ass motherfucking, yeah. We in that dirty thing. But we about to dip out to this meet in a little bit. My car dirty as hell, y'all. I'm still waiting for them to fix my shit. They still ain't fixed my shit. Look at this. Still got that shit on the side of my car, y'all. I'm waiting for that check when they gonna break your boy off, cause I need my check, man. I need mine. And they playing with me. My boy Zay right here. This nigga got the Zorro face going on right here with the car, man. You do rose gold Zorro, my nigga. Rose gold Nigga Zorro's 5'7", my nigga. Shit. What you niggas talking about, nigga? Y'all niggas ain't fucking with my nigga Zorro out here, nigga. Yeah. My nigga Trey got the motherfucking yeller spikes on that hoe, man. Yeller. But this man shit over here hitting though. Big baby. Yeah, that boy Cameron. That big Cameron. That motherfucking wide body. That thing clean right there, man. That boy Zay over here making some noise too. What you talking about, Zay? You talking about something? That what you talking about? I got you. I got you. You got the motherfucking Hellcat out here once again. I like them chrome things you got there, man. But we about to go head on and we done met up at the meat spot and whatnot. So we just waiting to dip out. I'm the only dirty car. Dirty DeAndre out here, man. I'm the only dirty car out here.
Shit, hey, I was dirty.
Not no more.
Not no more.
I mean, I'm dirty DeAndre out here.
People don't care about that.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this shit. I forgot to tell y'all. That's my fault. And if you ain't hit that like button, that notification button, if you ain't hit none of that,
make sure y'all go check out his channel. You feel me? Big flexing with that. Hey, this is not no regular artist. I'm gonna just tell you that now.
go subscribe, man. Stop bullshit. About to put some work in. Alright, you guys. So I'm back and I am in the car. It's hot than a motherfucker in here, y'all. Ooh, boy, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. But I love this car shit, man. That boy shit hitting. I'm gonna get my shit cam just like him. That boy shit hitting. Got Sasha right there too. But yeah, man, I'm trying to see who to follow. I don't know who to follow. My boy Zorro, man. That's my nigga Zorro. You might as well change your name, brother Zay. Go ahead on, man. You Zorro now, my nigga. Zorro 5'7". Yeah. You might as well claim that shit, dog. I'm giving it to you, nigga. You know what? Just take it. You can't opt out this shit, my nigga. Come on, big baby. Come on, big baby. God damn. Where's all this ruckus coming from? All I hear that's all I hear. Is that what Mopar comes to? That's all I hear. So now we are back. We are here, not back, but we here at this Cars and Coffee meet. It's kind of naked, I'm gonna be honest. It's kind of naked out here. But it's okay because they got some stuff out here that I kind of like for instance, got a fucking reservoir going to the radiator. That's just a reservoir. It's going right in there. That's unique. I've never seen that before. Use that around the house, build the car with. What is this, a 10? It's like an old C10. This is like an old C10? 64 C10? Oh yeah, classic tray. You got that classic license plate. You can't even get one of those unless you got like an official classic car. That's pretty cool. And that's an air horn right there?
Yeah, it's just an old Ugo horn.
What it sound like? Is it like one of them? One of them?
No, I was gonna hit that horn, but I don't know. I got a bad connection there.
Probably the battery, huh? No?
I I blew it on the way over here. I don't know why. We might have a loose wire.
Oh, that was that made that noise.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Man, I was waiting to. That's gonna.
Now.
Gotta give it the old smash. Give it the old bang. Okay, yeah, you gotta give it that old bang. Oh yeah. Yep, that's that old T model horn right there. I like that horn. That's pretty cool. What we got right here? We got a slab. Oh no, it's a Playmobil coming through here. Oh man, what's going down, man? That boy got the Playmobil. Look at the sexy lady on the back with her legs spread on there. Oh man. What is this? Oh, it's a Blazer, a K10. I've seen some of these like really done up. This motherfucker nice. Got the Yeti in the back. Got a header. Oh, got some sound in the back too. Soft top, black rims. Spark control. What? Electronic spark control. I don't know what that means, but. No, I was reading that. It says electronic spark control. I don't know what that means.
Oh, Pete.
What is electronic spark control?
Oh, Pete.
This is the Smokey and the Bandit right here.
This quick right here.
Mm-hmm. That's 6'6". Ain't this
these Trans Ams, bro.
That's that Smokey and the Bandit one, huh?
I don't know. It's close to it. Is it like Smoking the Bandit, like Black and Gold, I think?
I think so.
Pretty close, though.
It's close.
That shit clean.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, that boy hard pulling in right here, too.
Oh yeah, he hitting a little bit.
If I had the money to get an old school, I'd get one of them, bro, just to cruise me.
I be seeing a lot of them sometimes.
Yeah. They're nice cars, though.
Yeah. And for the record, you gotta have an old school to get a classic license plate. You can't just slap it on any car. Gotta have that classic, that age on there. What's going on with this? Hold on, we got a little something. What's this? What's around this corner? What's around the corner? Oh, that's what's around the corner. It's turbo. What's going on? I saw that big old air filter right there. I was like, what's that? Turbo. Turbo. How fast is it?
It's pretty, I mean, for a 4-cylinder, it's pretty fast. Yeah, it's probably right around 300 right now.
Oh, that's good for the weight that you got on it too. That's good.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
I bet it is. This is a, what is this, a Soul?
Sky.
A Sky? Oh, okay.
Same platform.
Same platform? So this is like something that they don't normally just put out on the street. You gotta like.
Well, yeah, I mean, I think they end up only making like 30,000 of these.
Okay.
And people are good at turning. I mean, I would say probably there might be 15 or 20,000 lots because people they get crazy and then end up like
In the.
end up totaling them. So.
Yeah. I got a buddy that drives crazy. GT 500 drives crazy with a smile on his face.
Yeah, well.
Scared.
If you got that money, you can, I guess.
And that's nice though. Any car with a turbo on it, I feel like you get that extra little.
Yeah, it's fun.
Oh yeah. Nice car though, man. Nice car. What we got here? We got this Oyster right here. This thing right here is nice. Oh, he got wheel wells on there. Boy, what? He got the wheels on there. He with that fuck shit. He gonna race somebody. When you see somebody with rims like this, you don't fuck with him. Because he gonna put that smack down on your ass. Got the dice right there. Take it down. Probably was flying too much, might have been speeding. But this is. I'm a fucking race too. I used to got a twin cam 16 turbo. Look at my dirty ass car. Dirty car. Vet right here. What's this? This is Z06. Oh, it's a Grand Sport. Yeah, that's a nice ass Grand Sport. Shit. That motherfucking nice. And this is like the base model for Corvette Grand Sports. I want to say, but entry model coming in. That's nice. That's like, I ain't even know they made that. I might have to get me one of them motherfuckers. What we got right here? Oh shit. Is he with the fuck shit too? And them tires tell a story. Camaros ain't no bitch either. That Z28, boy. Them niggas in New Orleans fuck with them bitches. Got a Rubicon out here. This Rubicon just big and no fuck on. We talking about this right here. Let's see this right here. What's in here? All motor? All motor? Supercharged. That bitch is clean. That motherfucking engine bay is clean. Look at that engine bay. That engine bay is clean. I like this black too. Them headlights is aggressive. Look at them headlights. Super aggressive. Look like Ferrari headlights. I like this Vet. I don't like those C8s. I'm not trying to knock them. But these right here, motor in the front. We ain't putting that in the back unless we got money for that. And I ain't got money for that, so I fuck with these. Even if I did have money. What this is, C7? No, C8, C6. Got the C6 right here. Then you got the C7. And C6, C6. And they're probably both Grand Sports. They just debadged them. I think they're Grand Sports. But they say on the back, they don't got no badging. This Mino right here. This Mino is looking nice. Boy, look at all this chrome in here. This Mino is nice. See, one thing I like about these old school cars like this, you got all this engine space right here. All this space where you have no reason not to be able to work on your own shit. You send your shit to a mechanic with a car like this, you a motherfucking fool. Unless you got a homeboy that can build it for cheap. Never send a car like this to a mechanic. You got too much space on a shit like this. What kind of rims you putting on them? Them hoes clean from the distance. They clean up close too. And they got the little car on the back. This is right here. I don't know if it's a 6 or an 8, but it's something. I see that boy got the lights over there around the rotors. Got the lights in them. The boy got the fucking lights in them rotors right here. Y'all see that? That's where his lights at. You see, this the fastest charger in the Houston area right here. Got that TRD, that Toyota race development right there. Got Zorro right here. My boy Zorro. Got the whole clique.
Did he give you a preview of it? Did you even show him, bro?
Yeah.
You gonna tell me what I like?
I showed him. I showed him what you've been doing. Oh yeah, and I forgot about this man here. This man here, his car got a story behind it. I met this man here off of the timer. That nigga was driving like fucking. What's up, man? Yeah, skinny to him and man, fastest charger in Katy, Houston area, man. I'm trying to tell them boys, they ain't listening. Leaving it. That's why I got one of them on it. But yeah, that motherfucking supercharger, boy, that Hellcat ain't nothing to play with, man. When you do it right, stock they alright, but when you get the tuning the mugs, oh yeah.
What, this one? Yeah.
It's over.
Yeah, he told me.
That boy got the let me see what kind of kit he, my bad run. What kind of kit you got on here? Vacuum kit?
Airbags.
Airbags, just regular bags? I see that. But you ever heard of them vacuum kits when they can sit on the frame and get the top?
Yeah, they wouldn't be that though.
Because they got them wheels on that motherfucker nice. Oh man, he getting switches on me over here. This man had switches over here. That man had switches over here. He had to fix his tire real quick. He had to do something to the tire. Hold on, I want to see him drop that thing again. Oh yeah, that's all you need right there. That boy shit bloody in there, man. That boy screaming Sue out the cab, man. We got over here, got this other vet that just pulled up.
No, I'm probably have 18s on now.
Another supercharged vet. Like how they got the Michelin on the tires. It's unique. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with a supercharged car. That bitch is aggressive.
Look at that. What did I say?
Michelin. Copyright. Oh, copyright.